Hey everyone, Dan Wardrope here from Flexxable. I wanted to record a quick video today on a simple little hack that we use in order to close clients. Okay, and this is for clients that you've originally reached out to who are on the fence, not quite sure whether or not they're going to come on as a pay-per-lead client, and they need a little bit extra to put them over the edge. So this is what we do, right? A lot of you have heard of me talking about Leads Hook, which is a tool, like a survey quiz type tool that we're a big fan of, that we use in all of our funnels, that helps segment leads to be able to sell them on to different people at different prices based on criteria or answers to the quiz. Works extremely well. But what they have behind the scenes is like a kind of decision tree process, right? So if someone says yes to a question, then they go this way down the decision tree, and if they say no, then they go down that way, and you can have two completely different set of questions depending on answers they've taken. So what we do is when we're talking to a client, they're not quite sure that whether they're going to come on. It's usually always about quality, right? The quality of those leads. So what we do is we record a little bespoke video for them and show them why our leads are going to be much better than anyone else's. We show them behind the scenes in Leads Hook and record a little screen capture video of what's going on and what's happening, and why they won't get this type of lead and why they will get this type of lead. And what happens is that this illustrates to the client that the leads that are going to be coming through to them are going to be better quality than the average set of leads that they buy, right? Because of the video that we've just shot. And usually, not always, but a lot of the times they're going to love this type of illustration and video. It shows them that you've gone out of your way to create something bespoke, and it also shows them the quality of your leads are going to be really good. So this is a little tip we use. I'm hoping you guys can use it in your client outreach, especially during these times. It might help make the difference between a won client and a lost client. Enjoy, and if you've got any questions, send an email into support@flexxable.com, and if you need further clarification or whatever, just let us know. We're here to help. Enjoy.